The brand new RYOBI 1 Plus brushless angle grinder is out. Let's give it a spin. Now, with brushless technology, this grinder is not only more powerful, but you can get your jobs done up to 30% faster. RYOBI's engineers have also really thought about convenience in this model. With 100% tool-free accessory change, all you need to do is flick the lever, releasing the fixed tech nut, and you can change between cutting and grinding in seconds. For both the lefties and righties out there, the side handle can be fixed in 3 different positions, so you're as comfortable as you are safe. Ensuring your protection from debris, no matter which way it's going, the tool-free guard can be adjusted to cover all angles. Well, there's no doubt about it as far as I'm concerned. The performance of this little angle grinder is going to make your tradie mates jealous. But RYOBI has taken safety to an all-new level with this machine. If by chance the battery's out and the trigger is engaged, when you put the battery back in, it's not going to start until you release it and re-engage it. As I said, there's no doubt about it, it's a cracker little tool. For more information on this one or any of the tools in the RYOBI range, check out the website. Have fun, be safe, and keep on DIYing.
RYOBI, a cut above.